Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. So this week, guys, we're going to be taking all of our succulent bowl projects and put them together. And we're going to be creating a succulent bowl arrangement using paper mache and some fake flowers. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts, fashion, and home repair that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. So this week, guys, we are going to make the succulent bowl arrangement out of the paper mache. And you remember we made our beautiful paper mache bowl. Now, some of the paper mache projects I created, they did not make it to video. Like I did create the flower and, oh, there's a flower that's missing. I didn't particularly like it. So we're not going to use those, and we're going to use plastic with some moss and then some paper mache rocks. Now, I had thought, okay, I'm going to put this at the bottom, but then I realized it would be a really good idea to purchase the flower foam, I think that's what it's called, to place at the bottom so that you can actually place your fake succulents inside and they will hold and stay up how you want them to. But to start off, even though I have that foam patch, I still want to put plastic saran around my bottoms. All that debris and stuff doesn't get in there. Then these are the moths that I got. I really like this. This is from Dollarama. It's $3.50, and I like the two variations of color because when you have green, you don't want to put green on green, but the green on the beige is really pretty. Okay, so for this, we lined our bottom with the saran wrap so that the bottom doesn't get dirty. We're going to put this, what is this called? Flower form? Floral form at the bottom, but this is way too high. I want to half it, so all I'm going to do is going to measure it out. It's 2.5, so we're going to do 1 1/4, and we're just going to mark it. And I'm going to keep the plastic on there. I'm going to put this at the bottom like that. And then what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just put some paper at the bottom. So take the time to comment down below and let me know, what do you think about creating a paper mache succulent bowl arrangement? We're going to put our moss in. And I realized something with my cactus. I needed to actually close it off and then put toothpick or dowel inside of it so that I'm able to shove it down inside of the foam board, right? Then we have these babies that we want to include, and these, I want to put these down, poke them down into the foam board. So I think I'm going to do this like that, but you see how high that is? I don't want it that high. And then the other thing is I don't want to actually cut these. Why? Because what happens if later on you want to use it? So let's just put this in and then tilt it over to the side. Yeah, so that's way better. And one of the things that I would do is get little pebbles and just fill in like these little gaps here with your little pebbles, or you can leave it just like that. And that's it. We need to go back in and put a bottom on this with a dowel so we can poke this through. I hadn't thought of that until later on in the night. But there is our succulent bowl paper mache. Now that you know how to make the succulent bowl arrangements using paper mache, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take those creative juices out of your head and put them on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, if you're interested in joining a group of creative minds like yourself, I do have that Facebook page that you're able to upload different crafts and DIY content. You can check out the link at the description box. Check out these videos next on any of my paper mache projects and my upcoming videos where we'll be going through the Christmas season. Now, if you like these videos, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe and share the video with your friends and your family.